In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enlarge thumbnails in Adobe Bridge. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your screen, trying to discern details in those tiny thumbnails, this tutorial is definitely for you. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to easily adjust the size of thumbnails to better suit your viewing needs in Adobe Bridge. First things first, let's get Adobe Bridge open on your computer. Once you have the program up and running, the next step is to navigate to the particular folder whose contents you'd like to view. You'll be looking at the thumbnails within this folder in the Content panel, which is typically centered in the Adobe Bridge interface. This is where you'll see all your photos, videos, and other media files presented as thumbnails. Now, here's the heart of our task: adjusting those thumbnails to your preferred size. At the very bottom of the Adobe Bridge window, you'll find the thumbnail size slider. It might look like a small bar with a tiny slider control in the middle, accompanied by two little icons or markers, one on each end of the bar. This slider is your primary tool for resizing thumbnails. To make those thumbnails larger, you'll want to focus on moving the slider. Click and hold the slider control and then drag it to the right. As you do this, notice how the thumbnails in the Content panel begin to grow in size. The further you move the slider to the right, the larger your thumbnails will become. So, feel free to adjust this as much as is necessary until you reach a comfortable size where you can easily scan and identify your files without needing to lean closer to your monitor. Conversely, if you'd ever like to reduce the size of the thumbnails, just perform the opposite action. Click on the slider control and drag it to the left. This will decrease the size of the thumbnails, giving you a more compact view of your folder's contents. It can be quite useful if you're trying to get a broader overview and fit more thumbnails on your screen at once. This tool is such an effective feature in Adobe Bridge because it allows for quick, on-the-fly adjustments without needing any complex menu navigation or multiple clicks. Whether you're enlarging to focus on crucial details or minimizing to get a wider context, this slider keeps your workflow efficient and hassle-free. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful method to take control over how you view your media in Adobe Bridge. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Adobe Bridge experience much more customizable and enjoyable.